Ever feel like Amazon is just showing you socks when you're clearly a cool gadgets kind of person? Well, today we're diving into 29 of the most mind-twisting, wallet-whispering gadgets you probably didn't know existed. From flying fans that tell time to smart rings that literally monitor your sleep, this list is loaded. All product links are below, and trust me, number 29 will make you rethink what counts as a normal gadget. Number 1. The on-case LED USB clock fan. Who needs a boring desk fan when you can have one that literally tells time while cooling you off? Just plug this little gadget into your laptop and boom, instant breeze and glowing LED clock right in front of your eyes. The flexible gooseneck lets you aim the air exactly where you want, and the soft PVC blades won't hurt a finger even if you try. It's practical, it's geeky, and it makes your workspace feel 10 times cooler, literally. Number 2. The Sauberkugel Clean Ball. You know those mysterious crumbs and dust colonies living at the bottom of your bag? Yeah, this pink little ball eats them for breakfast. Just toss it inside your purse or backpack, and its sticky inner core traps every speck of dirt while you go about your day. When it's full, simply pop it open, rinse, and it's ready for round 2. Made in Germany from recyclable materials, it's eco-friendly, reusable, and basically the vacuum cleaner your handbag never knew it needed. Number 3. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. This furious little lady is here to roast your microwave grime instead of your patience. Just fill her with vinegar and water, pop her in the microwave for a few minutes, and watch as steam blasts away gunk and food stains. Her steam vents, right on that steaming head, soften even the toughest splatters without a single toxic chemical. Made from heat-safe, dishwasher-friendly plastic, she's powerful, reusable, and hilariously effective. Who knew a tiny, angry mom could make cleaning this satisfying and fun? Number 4. The RAK Multitool Pen. This clever little pen isn't just for writing. It's like a mini toolbox hiding in your pocket. It's got an LED light for those dark fixes, screwdrivers for quick repairs, a ruler and level for precision, a bottle opener for after-work projects, and even a stylus for your touchscreen. Built from tough aluminum and packed with 11 functions, this multi-tool pen is the perfect blend of brain and brawn. Number 5. The Kuyid Touchscreen Cleaner Kit. This pocket-sized gadget is every clean freak's dream. It's a 2-in-1 spray and wipe tool that leaves your phone, tablet, or laptop screen spotless in seconds. Just spray, swipe, and boom, good as new. The microfiber cloth is gentle enough for sensitive screens and can be washed and reused endlessly. Plus, it's free from alcohol and ammonia, so it's safe for both your devices and your nose. Compact, sleek, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Number 6. The LaFizz Waterproof Lighter Set. These are not your regular lighters. They're survival-ready firepower in your pocket. You get one USB rechargeable arc lighter and one refillable butane torch. Both are windproof, waterproof, and tough enough to survive your next camping disaster. The arc lighter charges in just 1.5 hours and lasts up to a week, while the butane one hits a scorching 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit flame. Number 7. RingConn Generation 2. This smart ring isn't just stylish. It's basically a sleep scientist for your finger. It monitors everything from sleep apnea to stress and heart rate without begging for monthly app fees. Developed with actual universities, not just marketing talk, it delivers accurate data through an app you don't have to babysit. Waterproof up to 100 meters and lasting up to 12 days. It's perfect for anyone who forgets chargers exist. Thin, comfy, and packed with AI smarts. It's like having a health lab on your hand that never needs a coffee break. Number 8. LISEN Mini Portable Charger. Meet the pocket hero that saves your phone from flatlining at the worst possible time. The LISEN Mini Portable Charger packs 7,000 milliamp hours of power and 22.5 watts fast charging, enough to bring your iPhone 16 back to 50% before your coffee cools down. No cables needed, just plug and charge like magic. It's tiny, tough, and USB-C compatible with iPhones, Samsung, and Pixel phones. Plus, it's been tested over 10 million times, so it'll outlast your next 5 charging cables without breaking a sweat. Number 9. Bose Ultra Open Bluetooth Earbuds. Bose finally made earbuds for people who hate feeling like their ears are in solitary confinement. These open-ear wonders let you hear your music and the chaos around you, perfect for pretending you're listening to your boss while vibing to your playlist. The clip-on design is so light it feels like wearing a cloud with rhythm. With up to 48 hours of playtime, IPX4 water resistance, and spatial audio so real it's spooky, these buds redefine immersive. Basically, premium sound without shutting the world out. Number 10. Blink Video Doorbell, newest model. Meet the smart doorbell that never sleeps, literally. The Blink Video Doorbell gives you a full head-to-toe HD view of every delivery, visitor, or random cat that strolls by. It runs for up to 2 years on just 3 AA batteries, longer than most gym memberships last. With two-way talk, night vision, and Alexa support, you'll always know who's knocking. Simple setup, reliable alerts, and zero excuses for missing another package. Number 11. SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. Meet the lazy person's favorite assistant. This little bot literally presses buttons for you. Light switch? Handled. Coffee machine? Activated. Existential crisis? Still working on that. Just stick it next to any rocker switch, pair it with the app, and boom, instant smart home upgrade. You can even set timers or boss it around using Alexa or Google. It's like having a tiny robot roommate who only knows one job but does it perfectly every time. Number 12. INCX Solar Lights for Outside. If your backyard is darker than your future, these solar lights are here to help. Each one packs 8 bright LEDs that charge during the day and glow all night like little stainless steel fireflies. They're waterproof, kid-safe, and tougher than your Wi-Fi connection during a storm. Just stick them in the ground. No tools, no wires, no stress. Perfect for lighting up your driveway, lawn, or those mysterious gnome statues you pretend not to own. Number 13. TourBox NEO. Say goodbye to keyboard chaos and hello to smooth creative control with the TourBox NEO. This little command center turns editing into pure satisfaction. Twist, tap, and roll your way through Photoshop, Premiere, or DaVinci like a pro DJ remixing pixels. Built for Mac and Windows, it's the wired sidekick your mouse didn't know it needed. Whether you're color grading a film or retouching your cat's 5th selfie, this ergonomic knobfest keeps your workflow fast, precise, and oddly addictive. Number 14. TELESIN Fun Shot Magnetic Phone Camera Grip Kit. Tired of shaky selfies and dark TikToks? The TELESIN Fun Shot Magnetic Grip Kit is your upgrade. It clips onto your phone like a pro camera handle, complete with a wireless shutter for perfect shots. The 360 degrees magnetic selfie light adds that flawless glow even at 2 a.m. Compact, travel-friendly, and works with iPhone and Android, this all-in-one creator kit turns your phone into a mini studio, minus the awkward tripod struggle. Number 15. WOLFBOX MF200 Electric Air Duster. The WOLFBOX MF200 isn't just a duster. It's a tiny tornado in your hand. With airflow speeds up to 87.5 meters per second, it blasts away dust like it owes you money. Its removable 22.2 watt-hours battery keeps cleaning non-stop, and 4 nozzles plus 2 brushes handle everything from keyboards to car vents. Lighter than a soda can and quieter than your guilt over skipping chores, this cordless duster makes cleaning almost fun. Almost. Bonus: it's rechargeable, reusable, and oddly satisfying to use. Number 16. FosPower Emergency Weather Radio. When the power's out and the world feels like a zombie movie, the FosPower Emergency Radio is your survival sidekick. It's got AM, FM, NOAA weather alerts, a flashlight bright enough to find your sanity, and a 7,400 milliwatt-hour power bank to charge your phone when outlets go extinct. With solar, crank, or battery power, this thing laughs in the face of blackouts. Bonus: it even has an SOS alarm to yell for help, because you'll need it more than your playlist. Rugged, reliable, and ready for the apocalypse. Number 17. OLIGHT IMINI 2. Meet the little flashlight that could. This pocket-sized powerhouse blasts 50 lumens like it's auditioning for the sun. Need light fast? Just pull it off the magnetic cap. Boom, instant glow, Its built-in USB plug charges in under an hour because patience is overrated. Plus, it sticks to metal, freeing your hands for whatever chaos you're in. Barely 19 grams, tough as nails, and small enough to make your car keys feel insecure. Number 18. SnapFresh Cordless Electric Scissors. Meet the little pink powerhouse that turns cutting cardboard into a satisfying hobby. The SnapFresh cordless scissors glide through boxes, carpet, and fabric with their high-torque motor and self-sharpening blades. Lightweight and comfy to hold, it's perfect for long DIY sessions without sore hands. With a safety lock, rechargeable battery, and sleek hot pink style, it's the ultimate sidekick for every crafter and package destroyer. Number 19. CINCOM Hand Massager. This isn't just a hand massager, it's your personal hand spa on standby. The CINCOM hand massager kneads, squeezes, and warms your hands like a mini massage therapist with good manners. With heat, compression, and adjustable intensity, it melts away stiffness from typing, texting, or existing. The cordless design and long battery life make it perfect for office naps or road trips. Your hands deserve this luxury break. Number 20. Fullstar, the original Pro Chopper. This viral Fullstar Pro Chopper is basically the personal assistant your vegetables have been begging for. It dices, slices, and spiralizes faster than your motivation disappears on a Monday. With ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, a 5-cup container, and a non-slip base, it turns meal prep into a speed sport. Even better, it's dishwasher safe, because who has time to scrub tiny onion bits? Perfect for anyone who wants chef-level results without the actual chef training. Number 21. Otstar Jar Opener. Meet the Otstar Jar Opener, the superhero sidekick for anyone tired of losing battles against stubborn lids. With 6-in-1 versatility, it pops open jars, bottles, and cans like it's showing off. The long handle gives extra leverage, and the grippy rubber lining makes even the most dramatic pickle jar surrender. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for seniors or anyone with low hand strength. Basically, it's like having a personal jar-opening butler, minus the awkward small talk. Number 22. Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Finally, a gadget that lets you season your food like a professional chef without the wrist workout. This rechargeable duo features an external coarseness adjuster, because no one wants pepper dust on their hands. With 6 grind levels, a transparent 95 milliliters body, and one-handed operation, it's perfect for multitasking cooks. The USB charging base says goodbye to battery runs, and its sleek stainless steel design adds instant kitchen style. Fancy, functional, and flavorful. Your dinner just got an upgrade. Number 23. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Meet the salad spinner that makes lettuce feel like it just left a spa day. The OXO Good Grips Spinner uses a one-touch pump to launch your greens into a speedy spin cycle, dry, crisp, and ready to serve in seconds. Its non-slip base stays put while you show off your chef skills. When you're done, the lid locks flat for easy storage. Bonus, it moonlights as a fruit washer and serving bowl. Clean, crisp, and oddly satisfying. Number 24. The Cisily Black Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink proves that even your dish sponge deserves luxury real estate. Built from rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this compact caddy saves countertop space while holding soap, brushes, and sponges in style. Its rotatable spout drains water right into the sink, so goodbye puddles. The ergonomic divider keeps things neatly separated, and the tall brush holder fits up to 4 brushes. No tools, no fuss. Just unbox, place, and enjoy a clutter-free, squeaky clean kitchen. Number 25. Earthmade Evolution Microwave Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set comes in 1.5, 2, and 4.5 quarts with airtight tempered glass lids. Double wall keeps food hot or cold while staying cool to touch. Lightweight, anti-skid, and easy to pour. Microwave, dishwasher, freezer safe. Perfect for mixing, storing, and showing off your chef moves without drama. Number 26. Drop Stop Original Car Seat Gap Filler blocks the dreaded gap between your seat and console, stopping keys, coins, snacks, or that rogue French fry from disappearing forever. Patented and Shark Tank approved, it's built to last a lifetime with high-grade neoprene that adjusts to any gap. Each set includes 2 drop stops, plus bonus slide-free pad and LED credit card light. Easy to install, universal fit, and stealthy, your car's gap problem disappears, literally, while keeping your sanity intact. Number 27. The ANDERY car phone holder is like a loyal co-pilot with superhero strength. Featuring 22 N55 magnets and a monster suction cup tested over 9,000 times, it grips your phone like it owes it money. It rotates 360 degrees, folds neatly when parked, and keeps your phone cool with its vented design. Compatible with all MagSafe iPhones, it locks in instantly. No slipping, no drama, just hands-free perfection on every drive. Number 28. The Accmor Car Trash Can is basically your car's personal janitor. Tiny, tidy, and always ready for action. Made from waterproof, leak-proof plastic, it locks away odors like a pro. The clever bounce lid keeps trash out of sight, and the sturdy hook lets you hang it anywhere, door, seat, or console. Despite its compact look, it holds a surprising 4.7 gallons of chaos. Perfect for cars, offices, or anywhere you generate mystery crumbs and random receipts. Number 29. The LegalCo laptop screen extender is like giving your laptop 2 extra arms to juggle your chaos. With 3 15.6-inch full HD displays, you'll finally see all your tabs, spreadsheets, and cat videos at once. It folds neatly like a high-tech sandwich for easy travel and unfolds into a multitasking powerhouse in seconds. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and even Android, it's pure plug-and-play magic. Perfect for pros, gamers, and anyone tired of saying, "Wait, where's that window again?" And that's a wrap on 29 cool gadgets you'll wish you found sooner. Check the links below, hit like, and subscribe for more awesome finds whenever they drop.